I want to get a pedicure, but I am nervous if I go to a nail salon. I could catch a fungus.
The chances of catching a fungus from a nail salon are remote at best.
But I had a friend that went to a nail salon and that is where she caught the fungus.
So, your friend did not catch from the YMCA, or husband, walking barefoot outside. Those are all more likely possibility.
How does one catch a fungus?
Usually repeated trauma to the nail from tight shoes damages the nail and leaves it susceptible to fungus. Why do you think old people, immune-suppressed people as well as diabetics have fungal nails? Because their immune systems have trouble fighting the infection. Anyways, no one has ever died from a fungal infection starting from the toenail. It is not the end of the world, and very curable with a pill.
What about if the nail salon uses dirty instruments?
Then do not go there. If they take their instruments from a container with a liquid in it, it is most likely they are sterilizing their instruments.
My mom is diabetic. Should I take her to a salon to get her toenails trimmed?
No, take them to a podiatrist. They are trained in this, and then if something goes wrong with your mom's feet, you have a doctor to help. Additionally, in most cases Medicare will pay for it.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime.